I'm Noshazwan. I'm going to explain about to you Chapter 5, Sinusoidal Steady State Analysis, 10.4 Superposition Theorem. I will talk about the superposition theorem, about the theory first. It's applied to AC circuits and same as does DC circuit. Important if circuit has different frequency. Dependence depend on frequency. Must have different frequency domain circuit for each source. Total obtained by adding the individual response in the time domain. Okay. I'll be show you about some problem. First, the circuit, the problem give you V1 T equal to 12 cos 3t volts. Solve for V0 T. Here the V0 by using superposition. First, we must let V0 equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, where V1, V2 and V3 are produced by 10 volt DC voltage, DC source, and the current source, the voltage source acting independently. For V1, consider in the figure A here. Okay, the capacitor is an open circuit to DC, while the inductor is a short circuit, and hence V1 equal to 10 volt and V1T equal to 10 volt also. Okay, for the another one figure here, figure B, the inductor here you can get by the omega here is 2 and the J omega L equal to J2 L, J2 sorry, and then it's same as J4 ohm for the inductor. And for the capacitor is to get this by using this formula, 1 over J omega C, and then just substitute the value. 1 over J omega is 2, and for the capacitor is, okay, wait lah. Capacitor is 1 over 12 here, and then you will get J 1 over 6 and negative J 6 ohm. Okay, and then by using this nodal, by applying nodal analysis, you will get 4 equal to V2 over 6 plus V2 over negative J6 plus V2 over J4. This all can get by refer to this diagram, this figure, negative J6 over V2, J4 over V2, and here 6. Okay, bring out the V2 out for easy calculation. 1 over 6 plus J over 6 minus J 1 over 4 V2, and that is, it will be leads to V2 4 times 12 over 2 minus J, and will be calculated by set up the calculator to complex number for the calculation. 4 times 12, 2 minus J, and you will be getting the answer 21.466. Phase angle is 26.57 degree volt. This is for V2, and then we refer with the reference of the formula of A sine 2t plus phase angle. This is formula for sinusoidal, and just substitute the value V2t equal to 21.466 sine bracket 2t plus the phase angle that we get here, 26.56 degree volt. This is for the formula for V2t. And then now for the figure C that can calculate for V3 is, consider the V3 is the omega is 3, and to get the inductor here by using the same formula that we get at the V2 by J omega L equal to 3 times 2, because the inductor is 2H here, and to get the omega here, and times will be get 6 ohm for inductor, and another one the capacitor, the negative J 4 ohm, get by 1 over J omega C equal to negative J times 3 over 12 equal to negative J4. Now at the non-reference node, you will be getting this calculation, this equation, 12 minus V3 over 6 equal to V3 over negative J4 plus V3 over J6. All of this can be getting by the figure here. The 12 is by the DC source, and the minus V3, and over the resistor here over 6, and then the V3 is over by the negative J, the capacitor, and also the V3 is over the inductor. And by the arranging this equation, the V3 can, as the unknown here, and we're getting the 2 times 12 over 2 plus J, and use the same calculation as earlier. 2 times 12 plus J, and change to the phase angle, like shift 2 and 3 equal. You'll be getting the answer is 10. This is the value that we got, and it is 10.733, and the phase angle is negative 26.56 degree. Okay. With the reference of the formula, A cos 3t plus phase angle, that the formula is can be obtained by this formula that give earlier by the questions, and just substitute the answer that we got at V3 in the formula, and we will be getting this equation: 10.73 cos 3t plus, oh sorry, not plus, negative 26.56 degree. Okay, that recall all of the equation that we got, that V naught T equal to V1 T plus V2 T, and the V3 that just we got up here, and just substitute all the values that we got at V1, V2 and V3, and we'll be get the answer is here, the V1. Okay, V1 here with V1T we got 10 volt. 10, just put here 10 for V1, and now V2 here. V2 here we got just plus the equations, 21.466 sine 2t plus 26.56 degree, and plus the V3 up here that we got earlier, 10.733 cos 3t minus 26.56 degree, and this is the answer for V0. Okay, thank you.